Want to watch amazing IPTV on your Roku? Today, I'll show you how to set it up effortlessly. First things first, head over to the official Roku channel store on your device. It's super easy to access. Now, search for IPTV Smarters. This app lets you stream IPTV content seamlessly on your Roku device. Once found, add the channel to your home screen by selecting the Add Channel button. Watching magic unfold. After setup, open the IPTV Smarters app on Roku. A world of entertainment awaits your command now. For an optimal experience, use 2TV.store as your IPTV provider. They offer a stellar catalog of channels. Signing up with them is a breeze. On their site, choose the plan best suited to your entertainment needs. Now, on the Roku app, simply log in using the details provided by your IPTV subscription. Instant access awaits. Browse through a plethora of channels and content variety. Whether sports or films, everything is at your fingertips. Binge watch your favorite series or discover new content. The viewing quality will amaze and captivate you. Facing issues. Their customer support is top-notch. Ready to solve any hiccup you may encounter smoothly. With just these few steps, your Roku transforms into an entertainment hub. Super convenient and flexible, right? Remember to unlock the amazing, trust 2TV.store as your go-to provider. Consistent quality and reliability offer. So why wait? Get started today and let your Roku reveal its true TV magic, filled with unlimited joy. Explore global TV channels with ease and let your viewing spree take you places unexplored. Thanks to IPTV. Thank you for watching. For more handy guides like this, subscribe and stay entertained. Happy streaming.